What a beautiful day. This is January, 65 degrees. Beautiful. Very little wind, and it's been a long time since I've flown anything. It's been a long time. Let's see how it goes. Let's go fly. Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me in these RC vehicle adventures. It has been a minute since we have flown. So systems check. Alrighty. See, this one's not as loud as the as like anything from Horizon, but you can see as you turn it, the ailerons here. I'll turn it around here. For those of you that are new to flying, see how the ailerons here automatically turn. So that's a beginner mode. Same thing with this elevator here. As you do stuff, see as it goes up, it's going to try to bring the nose down. Oh. You know, our good friend Jeff in Lower Alabama, check out his YouTube channel. I was struggling to learn how to fly, and I met up with him. He taught me how to fly, and he had this Aero Scout. It had been around the block a minute. You know, he taught a lot of people flying. It didn't have any wheels, and to me that was like the coolest thing. It is, to me, I think it's easier to land without wheels. I think it is easier, but even with it, if it is easier, man, it's just fun. I think it's so cool just belly landing in the grass. You know, of course, you can't just go take back off like you can if you have wheels, but even like my Apprentice that does have wheels, it doesn't really do that good in the grass. But that being said, like my the Turbo Timber does pretty good landing grass, but it's a lighter aircraft. But it is fun. I need to walk back here so the sun is not in the camera. Ooh, man, it's been a minute, and this thing's a little more lively than my other planes, the ones by Horizon. See, this thing really, you can really bank it, but it is pretty forgiving. You can get this thing in all kind of wonky. See, like, I'll just go, it's going crazy. Just like, look, let go. Right? Let's do it again. Like, see, like, oh no. And there it goes. So this thing is pretty good at saving itself. It is a fun plane to fly. It's pretty durable too. You know, it's designed to pop apart on a hard landing. The wings and the elevator back there just snap off. And so far, I've yet to break anything. I did lose right here. Watch it go by. See the black piece on the front? I did lose. Oh, whoa. I did lose that. I belly landed in the grass and I tried to take off. And I think what happened is it budged it loose. And yeah, there's a weight that's in the front of that thing, which helps the CG, center of gravity. So also I noticed the plane was flying weird, kept wanting to like nose up, and I bring it by and noticed it was missing, which it really does give this plane a unique look. To me, it kind of looks like a goose. You know, look at it coming. Does that not look like a goose? Meow. This really is a cool plane. The only thing I wish, like there was something on the remote, like that LED would change colors to let you know where the battery is. You just kind of have to feel your way. You'll kind of notice, like when you throttle, it won't really respond or pull. But that's only if you're giving it throttle. Like today, the wind's pretty calm. I just kind of got the throttle set. Normally, if it's windy, like if the wind's blowing at it, I would throttle back, and then when I'm going or going into the wind, I throttle more. And then when you got that tailwind, you know, you cut it back. But when it's calm like this, you really don't have to mess with it, so it's kind of hard to notice. But man, this really is just a fun plane to fly. And in case you guys missed it, this plane does have a trick up its sleeve. Watch this. Oh, that wasn't very good. Oh no! Whoa, what happened? The wing came off. The wing. Oh no. I guess really didn't want to do this acrobatic stuff. Man, I hope this thing's in one piece. That did not look pretty when it landed. What the heck happened? Look. The whole piece broke off. Huh. Yeah. Ooh. Let's turn that off. So yeah, this plastic piece right here. It broke off. Wow. Ain't that something? Well, guys, I guess that will conclude our flight for today. Not much we can do now, but the plane looks like it's in relatively great shape still. I think it tried to save itself. It was moving the control surfaces. Oh. Well, I ain't gonna worry about it. So, oh wait a minute, I'm missing, no I'm not. So, alrighty. This be the tail piece. So I wonder where that piece is. Oh, it's not in the plane, so there's no gluing that back. So now I'll have to see if I can't order just a wing. If not, then I guess I'm screwed. The plane is done. Where is it? Here we go. Wow, that's the first in-flight breakup I've ever had. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make a dramatic thumbnail here. Let's make it dramatic. People like seeing doom and gloom. Now you guys see how behind the scenes. Wow. Still can't believe that. That's okay. So this is still good. I wonder if I can buy wings. So I tell you what, I guess that will be the last time I ever try any acrobatic stuff with this. Guess it just, no, that's right, it goes in, that latches, and this clicks down, and then we have our two pieces here. Wow. Well, everyone, that was kind of a short-lived flight, but hey, you know what, it wasn't my fault, nothing I did other than hit the little acro button. So there's a little button on the remote that that makes it do a loop, or it's supposed to, and oh, obviously didn't work. It we had a structural failure here. See right here, this button, you can see it's, turn away from, it says trick, and obviously something, it strained that piece to where it came out. That's really surprising. Wow. And there's gonna be no finding it, and even if I did, I doubt you could glue that back and it would be where I would trust it at all. Well, short-lived flight, not really my fault, but still a good day all in all. Flew 2 other planes, or I got 2 other planes to fly, so should be a good day. Hopefully we don't keep having this happen. All right, everyone, appreciate you watching. Appreciate the support. If you care to help support the channel, Amazon store is a free way to do it. There's some links down below, direct donations, and things like the neon signs. I get a commission if you buy one of those really cool signs, and it helps me buy replacement parts, because every dime I make in this channel goes back into gear for it. And I can tell you what, I'm at a total loss. I put more into the channel than I make, so I appreciate it. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Until next time, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next one.